And well, last but not the least, uh, we designed a mixer, we built it, we put it into use. Okay, we understood the components of the mixer. We also need to maintain the mixer, and for that we need to have a sound preventive maintenance program to ensure trouble-free operation, increased equipment life, and minimize downtime. It's very important that we maintain the equipment records, the drawings, a history card of the equipment. All that is very, very critical, especially in case of the applications that we have where we are handling abrasive materials. We are handling heavy powders, heavy metal powders. We need to be having all this information available. The requirement of critical equipment spares that should be clearly identified, and these spares should be available in stock. A preventive maintenance schedule, electrical and mechanical maintenance program, a detailed lubrication program should be defined and strictly adhered to. Lubrication is one of the most critical aspects of equipment maintenance. For example, you could need to carry out the lubrication, the greasing of bearings, preferably once every week. Total degreasing, re-greasing of the bearing should be carried out based on the operation life. And components such as gearboxes, the replacement of oil in the gearbox, typically at 10,000 working hours or 2 years of operation, or as recommended by the gearbox manufacturer. So these are some of the basic guidelines, when it comes to mixer maintenance, and every equipment, every mixer manufacturer specifies, what, how to maintain and what frequency, and that should be adhered to.